See this problem. Adhiraj and Karan were partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. On 31st March 2018, the firm was dissolved. After the transfer of assets other than cash in hand and cash at bank and third party liabilities to the realization account, the following information was provided. याचा अर्थ आहे प्रॉब्लेममध्ये दिलेल्या बॅलन्स शीटमधल्या ॲसेट्स रिअलायझेशन अकाउंटच्या डेबिट साईडला, थर्ड पार्टी लायबिलिटीज रिअलायझेशन अकाउंटच्या क्रेडिट साईडला आणि कॅश इन हँड अँड कॅश ॲट बँक कॅश बँक अकाउंटला ट्रान्सफर करून झालेलं आहे ऑलरेडी आणि त्याच्यानंतरच्या या ॲडजस्टमेंट्स आहेत ज्या आपल्याला सॉल्व करायच्या आहेत. फॉलोइंग इन्फॉर्मेशन वॉज प्रोव्हाइडेड. फर्स्ट, furniture of rupees 70,000 was sold for rupees 68,000 by auction and auctioneer's commission amounted to rupees 2,000. Second, Adhiraj loan amounted to rupees 35,000 was paid. Adhiraj is a partner, so this is the entry of partner's loan paid. Third, out of the stock of rupees 80,000, Karan took over 50% of the stock at a discount of 20%, while the remaining stock was sold off at a profit of 30% on cost. Fourth, a bills receivable of rupees 3,000 under discount was dishonored as the acceptor had become insolvent and hence the bill had to be made by the firm. Next, profit and loss account showed a debit balance of rupees 56,000. Sixth, realization expenses amounted to rupees 2,000 which were paid by Adhiraj. Pass necessary journal entries for the above transactions on the dissolution of the firm. So let's start. Adhiraj and Karan are partners. Their profit sharing ratio is given here, 3:2. And now we have to pass journal entries for these 6 transactions. First transaction now. Furniture of rupees 70,000 was sold for rupees 68,000 by auction and auctioneer's commission amounted to rupees 2,000. 68,000 ला फर्निचर सोल्ड केलेलं आहे ऑक्शनमधून लिलाव करून. ऑक्शनियर्सचं कमिशन 2,000 आहे, ते 68,000 मधून लेस करून 66,000 ॲक्च्युली आपल्याला मिळणार आहेत फर्निचर सोल्ड करून. सो फर्निचर सोल्ड फॉर रुपीज 66,000 याची एंट्री आपल्याला फक्त करायची आहे. आणि ॲसेट्स सोल्ड याचाच अर्थ ॲसेट्स रिअलाइज्ड असा होतो. सो वी हॅव टू पास द जर्नल एंट्रीज ऑफ एंट्री ऑफ ॲसेट्स रिअलाइज्ड ओनली. सो लेट्स पास द जर्नल एंट्री. कॅश बँक अकाउंट डेबिट 66,000 to realization account 66,000 being furniture sold. Okay, this will be the narration. Now second entry. See the second transaction. Adhiraj loan amounting to rupees 35,000 was paid. The payment of loan, this entry should be passed here. So the entry will be Adhiraj loan account debit to cash bank account. Amount is 35,000. Narration being the loan repaid. Payment of partner's loan. Okay, this is the second entry. Now the third entry. Out of the stock of rupees 80,000, Karan took over 50% of the stock at discount of 20%, while the remaining stock was sold off at a profit of 30% on cost. See, the stock is of rupees 80,000. Here first entry should be current took over the stock. This entry should be passed. And about the amount, current took over 50% of the stock at discount of 20%. 80,000 चा 50% is 40%, and after deducting 20% discount, that is 8,000, the amount will be 32,000. So current took over half stock for rupees 32,000. So let's pass this entry first. Current took over the stock. This will be the entry. So the entry will be current's capital account debit to realization account, half stock taken over. This will be the narration, and amount will be rupees 32,000. 32,000. See, 80,000 चा स्टॉक आहे, त्याचा हाफ म्हणजे 40,000, अँड 40,000 मधून त्यांनी आपल्याला सांगितलेला 20% डिस्काउंट आपल्याला लेस करायचा आहे. 20% ऑफ 40,000 मीन्स 8,000. सो वी विल डिडक्ट 8,000. सो इट गोज टू 32,000. ओके. नाउ he has taken over stock worth rupees 40,000 actually. So now the remaining stock is of rupees 40,000. This remaining stock was sold off at a profit of 30% on cost. So the remaining stock is of 40,000. We have to add 30% profit in this. 30% of this amount will be 12,000. We will add 12,000 in 40%. So it will be 52,000. It means that the remaining stock was sold for rupees 52,000. Okay. So let's pass the next entry, that is B. This entry is of stock sold. So the entry will be cash bank account debit to realization account 52,000. 52,000. Narration, remaining stock sold at 30% profit. This will be the entry. Okay. हे मी तुम्हाला सॉल्व करून दाखवलंय, ते या ठिकाणी लिहिण्याची गरज नाही. इथे सुद्धा सांगते मी, रिमेनिंग स्टॉक हा 40,000चा होता, प्लस 30% प्रॉफिट मीन्स 12,000. सो इट विल बी 52,000. अमाऊंट कशी आली याचं एक्सप्लेनेशन आहे. नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लेम. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. ए बिल्स रिसिवेबल ऑफ रुपीज 3,000 अंडर डिस्काउंट वॉज डिसऑनर्ड as the acceptor had become insolvent and hence the bill had to be met by the firm. याचा अर्थ काय बघा. In 11th we have studied the topic bill of exchange. The bill is discounted with the bank. This is the meaning. Here this bills receivable was discounted with the bank and it is dishonored, and so we have to pay the amount of the bill. Okay. So payment of amount of the bill, we have to make the entry. Realization account debit rupees 3,000 to cash bank account 3,000. Narration is given there. The discounted bill paid. This should be the narration. Okay. Now the next entry. Fifth transaction. Profit and loss account showed a debit balance of rupees 56,000. So the entry will be partners capital account debit to profit and loss account. Here partners are Adhiraj and Karan. So Adhiraj capital account debit, Karan's capital account debit to profit and loss account. This will be the entry, and the profit and loss account balance, debit balance of profit and loss account will be distributed between the partners in their profit sharing ratio. So distribution will be 33,600 and 22,400. Total amount is 56,000, which is distributed between the partner and transferred to partner's capital account in their profit sharing ratio. Okay, so narration is debit balance of profit and loss account transferred to capital account. Now the next entry, sixth entry. See the transaction. The transaction is about realization expenses paid by Adhiraj. They told us that realization expenses amounted to rupees 2,000 were paid by Adhiraj. So the entry will be realization account debit to Adhiraj capital account. Amount is 2,000 to Adhiraj capital account, 2,000. Narration, realization expenses paid by Adhiraj. Okay. So in this way we have to pass journal entries directly if they are asked only journal entries in the problem of dissolution. That's all.